Hello guys, today we're gonna play Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies for free, and let's go if it's free. Oh my god. Here's the name, Call of Duty Black Ops Zombies for free, and Android and ISO for free. And make sure to subscribe it and touch the damn and touch the like. Let's see if we can touch the damn the beats. So let's go. Here's the 5006. You know that, okay? So I fucking stupid. So single player, new game. Okay. So it's a Kino, Dead Ops Arcade, Ascension, and Call of Dead. Yeah, defeat the boss, the biggest boss of all. So I wish I could go in Kendo. Kendo is my favorite. Very easy, then go with it. Ha, so easy, stupid. At least, let's see. It does talk and attack curse. Let's go. Zombies, go in the town. What the fuck? Oh my god. That's the town. Where's zombies? Zombies? When I what? What the shit? People! Look at a zombie. Zombie tanning. Oh my god. See if upstairs. Nothing. Upstairs. Fuck you. You tie overboard, bitch. Dick. Data. What? Oh shit. What's that? This how a zombie look like. Shoot it in its tentacles. What double headshot? This head. Oh, headshot. One at a time. What's on top of the gun? Wow. You know, you could play this in it's a multiplayer. What the shit? Okay. I two now. Number 2. If we return 6, I don't know what happened. Let's see. If we kill all the zombies, I don't know what to do with this game. But I know how to shoot. What the hell is this? Oh my gosh. Where's the bomb? The bombs. Shoot it. Oh! The legs on a sucking booty ass. Booty! Okay. Whoa. Oh shit. Double kill. Triple. Where are you? Oh no. One zombie there. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh! Get your dick. Okay. Where are you? Last zombie. What's this? Sniper. Headshot. What's this? Headshot. Head. Nope. The hell is this? I reached tree. Shit. Okay. Damn. What the hell? What's this? No headshot. Seriously? I will go and get a headshot. And seriously. Okay. Shit. Oh shit. That's on me almost attacking me. Let me see. Turn the power on first. I don't know what's that. Okay, cool. Okay. Run, people. Okay. Run. Please run faster than this. I don't know what the fuck is this. Run. Okay. I reach here. Wow. I like this place. You know, Kino is the best place of all. What's this? A teddy bear? Seriously? Suck this. Suck it. Up and down. Yeah. Okay, stop it now. Oh, oh shit, zombies come. One, two, build up the house. Okay, I'm gonna build up my own house. My own house. Three. Come on, come on, come on. You have headshot. Oh god, what's that? You have headshot. You. Nope. Body shot, please, please. But leg shot. And headshot. Body shot, body shot. Double kill. I'm shot. Shot in the eye. Jesus. More zombies come. What the hell? I don't know what the frick is happening. Okay, open this door. Why open this door for? Jesus Christ. Okay, okay, okay. Watch this. Watch this, eh? Headshot. What's this? Hammer? Hammer? Okay. Why get first point? Wow. Okay. Number 5. Now. Now. No. Oh shit. Oh shit. Can I see zombies here? Double kill. Triple kill. Okay. 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 Headshot. Headshot. People. Let me see. Headshot. Headshot. Double headshot. Wow. Oh my god. Double. I'm so surprised, people. Okay, let me see. I have another point. Okay. Turn on power. I don't know. It's just red things, bro. Security ops. Get the zombies out. Okay. Okay. Yes. There's nothing. Shoot it. And then what is this for? Tap the switch on power. Okay. Ooh, I ain't do that. I ain't do that. I'm gonna shoot this guy. Come on. Oh, let's go, Princess Lee. Oh, I know understand. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, 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 oh. That's your forces. Sniper, sniper, sniper. Headshot. One headshot. Oh shit. What the hell? Okay, 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 okay. Tap the intent links. That means the portal there. And I'm here. So you done. Zombies can run. Why? Okay, I write. Wait, now what? Where I am? I write here. No. Where I am? Where's me? Okay. 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 Phew. Come on, zombies. Come on, zombies. Ha ha ha. Oh shit. You know this. What the hell? People. Oh my god. When zombies coming? Plenty. Couple. Someone. Double kill. See? Got a 4. Oh my god. Look at this. Double. Double. Do die. Do die. Oh my god. Do die. Do die. Do die. Do die. Don't die. People. People. Don't die, you bitch. What's this? I don't know what's this. You know, why? What do you think? I'll take it out. So I'll go here. I'll go straight there. That means yes, mister. Okay. So, shit. What's this? Double kill, and okay. So I have points. So, oh shit, oh shit, oh shit. What the hell? Spread over. Except that I'm of yours. Shot in your face. Okay, okay. Fill up, 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 fill up. Okay, okay, now run, run, you piggy! Whoa, you run! You're not gonna win, horsey. Okay, okay, shoot from here. Konyama, shoot. But now what? Is that alive? Or four? The man can't wait for me. Fly away. Shit, not that mount again. I hate this mount. Nobody can pass the king. I don't know what's this. Let me see. Shit! Poison! Poison! Ah! Oh, get off. Come on. Take this. But not what? Seriously? Seriously? What the hell? I was so frightened. The monkey and the dogs? What the hell is this? They're running like a horse, you ain't know that. What the hell? So let's go. Oh my god. They burn. They burn. They burn. They burn. Spirit. Hurrah. Okay. Get up. No more. It's on no more. Shit that. Where now? So what is this? Wow. Let's see. Okay. Can't buy that. I don't know what that means. Shoot them. Come on. Come on. Unite them. Quiet. Run for your life. Run, run, run. Run. Run now. Stupid fool like you. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. Shut. Oh no, what? Shut. Damn. Damn. What? What the hell are you talking about? What the hell? What the hell? That's a deck. Yeah. As I'm pushing their ass. Wait. Run. Run. Shit. Shut. Oh yeah. Run now, piggy. Watch yourself. Explosion! Headshot. Double headshot, babe. Oh shit. Spread over fire, bitch. Spread. Wow. So, here's the thing, okay? I don't understand. Why does it have spirits and Kendo? That is the trickiest answer. But if I describe it, thanks for watching. I hope you describe it and touch the damn and touch the like. See you. Goodbye.